Today is November 13th, 2023. It is a Monday. I am taking my normal Monday walk around downtown Orlando. I'm going to try to document my whole experience because I'm really trying to heal myself in the meantime. So what that means is back in June, I had kind of like a medical emergency, and I've been really feeling like crap ever since. So I've been trying to like find resources online and different ways to eat and what exercise I can actually do, because it's definitely affecting that. So I have what I suspect is endometriosis. It's not been confirmed, but every symptom that I've had since June, it points to that. And I have kind of like, my insurance is not that great. So trying to see a doctor or trying to get into a specialist is like a problem. So I have not been. So I'm waiting for open enrollment to be effective so I can go ahead and try to get better insurance and therefore get a better access to care. So in the meantime, I'm like, I have to adjust some things in my diet and see if they help, and find workouts that I can actually do. I'm going to be as transparent as I can be, because maybe it'll help somebody else, and I don't see a lot of us talking about it, but we definitely don't have a representation there, and it's a problem that happens to us. Obviously, probably it's more prevalent. So today is that. You can see I don't have any makeup on, so for me to post this later, that's brave, because I've been wearing concealer on my left eye for the past 6 months pretty much. Like, it literally looks like I have a black eye. They both look the same in this video, but in better lighting you can definitely tell. And if I get on a Zoom call or FaceTime, people are like, what happened to your eye? Like, what happened? So I'm not in a relationship, and even if I was, he would not be punching me in the eye. So it's literally a side effect of something. I don't know what. Been trying to research that, but yeah. So today is day one. I'm gonna vlog every single day about the things I'm doing, about the things I'm eating, whatever type of pain, if I'm able to work out or not, what type of workouts. Yeah, so, and I'm being honest, like this last weekend I had a couple of events to go to, and there were pictures, there were times, opts to take pictures, and I didn't want to, because I knew I didn't feel good, and I know I didn't look good. And someone sent me the pictures after, and I was right, and I was just like looking at the pictures like, okay, this is gonna be part of my testimony, because I have to do something. And even though the scale has gone down 10 pounds, I looked horrible in that photo, and I don't know if it was because eating like dairy and gluten really blew me up and made me swell, because it was really a weekend of eating stuff that I know I should not eat and that I usually do not eat. So between the cakes and just the different stuff, and my body is probably like just really fighting back. Like, no, we can't do that. So I'm gonna work on it. I'm gonna work on whatever workouts I can do. I know the internet does not know me, but the people who know me in real life, they know I actually was a workout girly for years. So for me to not be able to work out, for me to let myself physically get to this state is something different for me. And this is the season I'm in. I feel like God is really showing some stuff to me, and then the enemy is trying to come for literally every part of my life. The enemy is trying to come for my physical health, my mental health, my body, that's physical health, my finances, my relationships, my family, everything. So I'm just trying to stay grounded and, you know, do my part and figure out what's going on as best I can, and just leaning on God, because right now that's all I have. So yeah, I'm gonna be documenting the journey. These vlogs will be really short, and then maybe I'll do a compilation at the end. I don't know. I don't want to say I'm ending it at a certain time. I just want to have some sort of transformation and some relief from all the pain that I've been dealing with. So right now, this week, or today at least, I'm dealing with horrible neck pain. It's been almost a week, and I thought it was how I slept, but it's been horrible. It's like, it's so much worse. I'm not sleeping really good. You know, so I'm under a lot of stress, physical stress and mental stress, and not knowing really what's wrong with me, not having the access to like better health care. Florida is not really known for its health care anyway. I guess people come here to retire, so they feel like maybe their doctors don't need to be as trained, because it's like people are maybe going to be leaving us soon anyway. I don't know. But I'm from a place where we have really, really good doctors. So I mean, I've even considered not moving back, but traveling back just to get proper medical care. Crazy. Just, it's too much. So anywho, that's what I'm dealing with this week. I'm out doing my walk. I cannot walk but so fast, and I'll probably get into that on another video. I'm not going to make this too long, but yeah, day one of, I guess, the rest of my life.